بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله الذي لا يبلغ الندهات والكائلون ولا يحصي نماءه الأدون ولا يؤدي حق المجتهدون الذي لا يدرك بعد الهمم ولا يناله غوث الفتن الذي ليس لصفاته حد محدود ولا نعت موجود ولا وقت معدود ولا آجل ممدود فاطر الخلائق بقدرتي ونشر الرياح برحمتي ووطد بالصخور ميدان أرضه. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Praise is due to Allah, whose word cannot be described by speakers, whose quantities cannot be counted by calculators, and whose claim to obedience cannot be satisfied by those who attempt to do so, whom the height of intellectual courage cannot be appreciated, and the depths of understanding cannot reach. He for whose description no limit has been laid down, no knowledge exists, no time is ordained, and no duration is fixed. He brought forth creation through his omnipotence, death pressed winds through his compassion, and made firm the shaking earth with rocks. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Alhamd mean praise, lillah mean due to Allah, la yablahu cannot be described, midhatahu whose claim, whose worth. Midhatahu mean whose worth. Wala yuhsi cannot be counted, nama'ahu whose bounty is. Adun calculator. ولا يؤدي حق المجتهدون